What is your English level? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Let's find out. There are 30 questions divided into 3 different levels. You have 8 seconds to come up with the answer. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time to think. And don't forget to keep count of the number of correct answers you have. Let's get started. Beginner. 1. He, blank. Not want to see him anymore. Do. Does. Or was. The correct option is B. He does not want to see him anymore. 2. They, blank. Launch at 12 o'clock. Have. Has. Or had. The correct answer, they had launch at 12 o'clock. 3. Who stole my blank exercise book? We don't use any article here. Who stole my exercise book? 4. I have blank apples. The correct answer is some. I have some apples. 5. Which sentence is correct? He doesn't likes coffee. He is not liking coffee. He doesn't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. 6. Which is the correct answer to this question? Has John seen the principal? Yes, he have. No, he hasn't. Yes, he has seen. The correct answer is no, he hasn't. 7. He is not feeling well. He, blank. Today. He is staying at home today. 8. Hurry up. We, blank. To catch the last train. Should. Must. Or need. The correct answer, we need to catch the last train. 9. She's a talented musician, blank. Isn't she? Is she? She isn't? The correct answer, she is a talented musician, isn't she? 10. Which sentence is correct? Do you have any cat? Do you have any cats? Do you have some cats? The correct sentence is, do you have any cats? Intermediate. 1. Choose the correct sentence. Did you had breakfast this morning? Have you had breakfast this morning? Do you had breakfast this morning? The correct sentence is, have you had breakfast this morning? 2. I wish I, blank. More time to travel. Had. Have. Or will have. The correct answer, I wish I had more time to travel. 3. They, blank. to the party if they had known about it. Would come, would have come, or would be coming. They would have come to the party if they had known about it. 4. Which sentence is correct? The book I bought yesterday was expensive. She had already finished before lunching. I will see him tomorrow on the weekend. The correct answer: the book I bought yesterday was expensive. 5. The cat's fur, blank. Silky and smooth. Felt. Seemed. Or sounded. The correct answer: the cat's fur felt silky and smooth. 6. We are grateful, blank, our employees, blank, their hard work. The correct answer: we are grateful to our employees for their hard work. 7. Which sentence is correct? If she had studied, she would have passed. If she had studied, she will pass the exam. If she had studied, she passes the exam. The correct answer: if she had studied, she would have passed. 8. They, blank, the game if they ever, blank. The correct answer: they would win the game if they ever practiced. 9. Call me, blank, my name. With. By. Or in. The correct answer: call me by my name. 10. Which sentence correctly uses the future perfect tense? I will have finished my homework by the time you arrive. I will finish my homework by the time you will arrive. Or, I finished my homework by the time you arrive. Advanced. 1. Your submission is blank. Neither here or there. Either here or there. Or either here nor there. The correct answer: your submission is either here nor there. 2. Some candidates take examinations in their stride. This means that they prepare hard for them, do not worry about them, or find them insurmountable. The correct option is A. This means that they prepare hard for them. 3. We ought to stay away, blank. The robbers came back. Provided. Should in case. Or, in case. The correct answer: we ought to stay back in case the robbers came back. 4. The motorcycle nearly hit Jane and blank. Me. I, or myself. The correct answer: me. The motorcycle nearly hit Jane and me. 5. His father has a blank. Rounded wooden beautiful table. Wooden round beautiful table. Or beautiful round wooden table. The correct answer: his father has a wooden round, beautiful table. 6. Her husband's death has forced her to tighten her belt. This means that she has become more economical, become very aggressive, become very greedy. The correct answer: this means that she has become more economical. 7. Change the verb compete into an adjective. Competitive. John is known for his competitive spirit on the basketball court. 8. Change the verb explore into an adjective. Eight. The exploratory mission uncovered new scientific data. 9. Change the verb manage into an adjective. Manageable. The workload for this project is manageable with our current team. 10. Change the verb develop into an adjective. Developmental. The developmental stage of the project is progressing smoothly.